Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use MergeBase to fix a vulnerability in your .NET project. So as we can see here, we have a number of components with vulnerabilities in the project right here. We're going to fix this critical vulnerability in this project. If we select this component, we can go to our Guidance tab, and this is going to give us information about the different versions of this particular component, as well as what vulnerabilities are associated with them. This is color coded, so along the bottom here, red means it's high risk, and green means low or no risk. So we can see there's actually 0 vulnerabilities here. So we're going to come to the 2.0.10 version. If we head over to Visual Studio, we'll type the name of the component we want to upgrade. And 2.0.10, and we can update that component. There you go. We've made that change. Now we're going to rescan our application here using the MergeBase tool once again. Should only take a few moments. And if we come back to our application, we can see we no longer have any critical vulnerabilities at all. And if you go, we can find the new version of our component. Log4net 2.0.10 is here in the dashboard.